In today's world, starting a small-scale food production business might seem like a daunting task, but currently there are many machines available in the market that can produce large quantities of products within a very small space. So in this video, we will show you 8 food manufacturing machines designed for small-scale setups and actual product manufacturing. Some machines dispense ready-to-eat snacks immediately after the dough is put in. Some other machines handle tasks of filling and packing food products automatically, and some semi-automatic setups can operate with a very small workforce. However, food manufacturing businesses may require licenses, hygiene compliance, FSSAI approval, and local regulatory permissions depending on the product and region. And in this video, we are not going to spread fictional stories that will make you a millionaire overnight. Instead, we will only discuss real machines, their real production capabilities, the real demand in the market, and the practical issues that most people fail to mention in their videos. So be sure to watch this video until the end. For your convenience, we have included the links to all these machines in the video description. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Makhana Roasting and Flavoring Machine. This machine not only roasts makhana uniformly but also blends them with spices. As fried makhana has now gained status as a high-end snack, this machine is playing a key role in the healthy snack manufacturing industry. You just need to put the raw makhana in the machine. It then churns out batches of crispy roasted makhana. And the most challenging aspect of this entire process remains the uniform and consistent coating of spices onto the makhana. While many entrepreneurs are initially hesitant due to the cost of raw materials, once the product is packaged and sold under a unique brand identity, they can achieve better margins compared to unbranded bulk sales. Number 2. Millet Puff Extruder Machine. Millet-based products are currently experiencing a surge in the market as consumers are actively seeking alternatives to wheat. Simply add flour and seasonings, and this machine uses a combination of heat and pressure to transform the fine-grained dough into puffed snacks. So you can produce products like ragi balls, corn sticks, and rye puffs, all using the same technology. Also, it's very important to maintain proper moisture and temperature control. Otherwise, the resulting snacks will turn out soft and flaky. In this venture, true profitability stems not merely from the machinery itself, but rather from effective branding and flavor innovation. Number 3. Fruit Pulp Processing Machine. This machine crushes the fruits, separates the pulp, and continuously creates a smooth mixture. The market for pulps such as mango, guava, and tomato puree is expanding every year due to bulk buyers such as fruit juice companies and bakeries. You just put the cleaned fruits inside the machine, and the machine will automatically separate the seeds and fiber. Typically, fruit juice companies, ice cream manufacturers, and bakeries purchase this pulp in bulk. Therefore, by processing seasonal fruits, you can market and sell them for months on end. But if storage and processing are not handled correctly, the entire stock runs the risk of spoiling. Number 4. Vacuum Frying Machine. Unlike conventional frying methods, this machine fries chips at a low temperature, thereby preserving their natural color, crispiness, and flavor. Simply place chopped fruits inside and the machine will produce ready-to-eat low-oil banana chips, beetroot chips, jackfruit chips, and apple chips using the same technology. Add your choice of seasoning, pack the products in resealable, that is zipper pouches, and sell them in supermarkets or online. And the capital cost and electricity consumption of the machine are relatively high, so profitability depends heavily on premium positioning, operating cost control, and consistent demand. Number 5. Automatic Chocolate Coating Machine. This machine continuously coats biscuits, wafers, or nuts with melted chocolate. Many small chocolate brands now use these machines to scale production without hiring large teams. You simply need to place the item on the conveyor belt and the machine will evenly coat them with chocolate. You can make everything from dark chocolate covered nuts and cookies to festive gift snacks using this machine. Furthermore, as the market for giftable snacks is rapidly expanding, the demand for such products is also increasing. And maintaining cleanliness is the most important factor in this production method. Even a single batch of substandard quality can completely shatter consumer trust. Number 6. Automatic Momo Making Machine. Next, this Momo making machine produces dough sheets, fills them with stuffing, folds the momos and continuously places them onto trays. Just need to put the dough and filling in, and the machine takes care of everything else, including shaping and sealing, all automatically. Momos have now reached beyond the metropolises and even small towns, so you can make momos with the help of this machine and then freeze them and supply them to cafes, street vendors and cloud kitchens. Moreover, since these machines are available in semi-automatic or fully automatic variants, you can effectively manage a production run with a limited workforce. And remember, if the taste or quality of the filling is inconsistent, repeat orders will quickly decline. So maintaining a proper cold storage chain is essential. Number 7. Ready-to-cook foods processing machine. Due to hectic lifestyles, the market for ready-to-cook food products is growing rapidly. This machine fills pouches with ready-to-eat meat or gravy, seals them, and continuously produces packaged units. So you can start production with this machine and produce everything from whole wheat parathas and paneer gravies to soups and desserts. But you may require licenses, hygiene compliance, FSSAI approvals, and local regulatory permissions. In this sector, knowledge regarding food safety is far more critical than the machine itself. Even a small hygiene or sterilization failure can make the entire batch unsafe. Number 8. Automatic peanut, chicky and energy bite machine. This machine mixes molasses and peanuts, presses the mixture and continuously cuts it into evenly sized pieces. So you can make chicky bars, sesame bars and energy bites using this machine for healthy traditional snack production. All you need to do is feed roasted peanuts and jaggery into the machine. It then automatically produces uniform bars. Everything from sesame bars and dried fruit pieces to protein snacks can be made using this machine. The demand for traditional snack products has remained strong in many markets. At the same time, maintaining their shelf life and quality can pose a challenge. In this industry, if the packaging or nutritional information is correct, customers will immediately reject the product. So friends, just buying machines does not make a business. The biggest risks are poor product quality, incorrect pricing, packaging, food licensing, shelf life testing, and weak distribution. While many individuals start manufacturing, this is where small businesses often stumble. This video is only for educational purposes only. Machinery costs, production capacities, and profit margins may vary depending on location, raw material prices, and market demand. Therefore, before investing capital in any machinery, it is essential to thoroughly research the local demand and the availability of raw materials. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.